The reason you should join my team, my group, myself in Save Club is because there's marketing materials that I can just provide you. I'm going to send you an email with exactly what to do, where to get it, what I recommend doing, and a couple things I do to make it a fun routine every day. But I think the best advice that I can give, where I've been able to sign up thousands of people over the last 2 years, not only in Save Club, Live Good, and some other opportunities, is people join people. I honestly believe that. I've signed up about 100 people already in Save Club, and I like to just email people, hey, why did you pick me out of all the other people? Or where did you get an email from me? Did you find me on a search on YouTube or maybe on social media? But I like to know, how did you find my ad or my post or my video? And as politely as possible, ask why. And the number one reason is usually because through video, I can see you, I can hear your voice. On your Facebook page, it's your personal page, so I can see family, friends, what other stuff I do besides just plead people to join. Join Save Club. I got other things that I do, a lot of fun things that I do. I like to post some things that are hobbies or funny things or maybe things that piss me off. But at the end of the day, the more real I can be through video or my posts, if I'm tired, I tell you. If I don't know what I'm talking about, I'll pull up a Post-it note. I usually have Post-it notes up on my screen behind my camera here. Okay. Right now, I don't even have Post-it notes. Now, the reason I'm doing this video is someone just emailed me and said, how do you know what to talk about? And I will literally just hit record. And if something on my mind like, oh, there's new training that I just watched on a live Zoom, maybe I'll talk about it. Or you know what? I saved money at Discount Tire. Maybe I'll make a video and just say, guys, I needed tires for a couple vehicles. I went to Discount Tire in my Save Club, my deals link. And my gosh almighty, I saved hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of bucks. The next one might be about, I watched a live Zoom with our founder and a couple other people. I just literally watched it about an hour ago. And what's coming up? We have more ways to accept cryptocurrency in countries that's a little more strict, like China. China obviously has billions of people. In America, I think there's only 375 million that are documented here, which is like that many compared to just Asia. Let's just say Asian areas. Malaysia, Japan, holy cow, the Philippines are even doing well. South Africa is really starting to build a nice little section of success there. We're based out of Las Vegas. So in America, we have a lot of deals, obviously, that are American-based that could be considered local or national. But no doubt about it, over the next month, the next 6 months, the next year, we're going to be a worldwide international business. Groupon is there. Yeah, there's Priceline, there's Orbitz. There's a lot of places that are deemed savings clubs. But never has there been a savings club like this, especially international, that pays you. That is why I'm here making 300 videos already just on my YouTube channel about Save Club. Okay, there's power in numbers. The more people that join Save Club, awesome. The more deals that we have inside the club, amazing. And when both of those just hit millions of people, you know what's going to happen? The deals are going to be even better, cheaper for you, more cash for us that are affiliates. $60, you have your own website. You have a capture page where people can just put their information in, hit a button. There's an automated email that goes to you. You open it up and you can join if you want. Or guess what Save Club does? They'll send you one email a day for 30 days. And if you want to unsubscribe, do so. But where else for $80? $60 to be an affiliate, $20 to do that monthly membership. For $80, what a business. Okay, this is not a dated business that's only going to work in, let's say, wintertime. We're not selling snowmobiles or snow skis. We're not selling winter coats, okay, in the summer. This is something that's always going to be in fashion. And I guess, to be honest, two reasons why I joined. Number one, the format, the pay is similar to Live Good. And if you look over my shoulder, I have a lot of Live Good products on my mini fridge. I'm quite successful in Live Good. I'm number 29 in the world out of 2 million people. And I learned a lot over those 2 years. And I like doing this online thing where I can talk on a webcam and just help you guys make a decision by inviting you to click a link to watch a video. And that's it. And I'll do videos like this. And if you want to do videos, awesome. I think that I'll get to know your voice, your mannerisms. What do you dress like? Do you have hobbies? Are you funny? Are you kind of serious? Are you kind of nervous where you're like ready to poop your pants? I mean, just lighten up. This is about saving money on things you're already buying. You don't have to pretend to go buy healthy things or Kiss items or Lego kits or who knows what. If you need an oil change, go to Save Club and look in to your back office and see if you can save. I know you can here in Utah. There's so many automotive places, transmission repair, maybe topping off your AC so your air conditioning is nice and cold because it's summertime right now. You can see how red I am. It's 95 degrees here in Salt Lake City today. Well, the next 6 days, according to my cell phone app. But there's a lot of things you need like food, water, dental. There's going to be gasoline and diesel fuel. That's my most exciting thing because I go through a lot. I love to drive. That's my number one thing that I really enjoy besides YouTube and the internet and watching Love Island on, I think, Peacock. Okay. But there's so many things that you have to spend money on, like for real. Not, I know I'm kind of making fun of Barbie dolls and Lego kits and Kiss lamps, but if you're spending, and what I recommend is if you use your debit card a lot or credit card, go online and see what you buy every week. Do you go to Walmart? Do you buy at the same food store? All right. Do you have a repair coming up? Like maybe a tooth you got to buy, a molar cracked. All right. Is there dental back there? There's going to be health. Yes, absolutely. Car repair. Thank goodness. I have a lot of cars and trucks and stuff. And boy, if I can save money, awesome. There's always going to be something that you're going to have to buy. And most of the time it's, food, rent, water. And a lot of people do travel. Sometimes you have to. It could be a funeral, or maybe you're finally saving up for, let's just say, going to Disneyland or just going to visit a relative and you're going to go camping or fishing, boating, hiking, stuff like that. So if you can save on gasoline, save on a couple hotel motels, maybe there's some food things along the way. But if you can save $100 on stuff you're already going to buy, that extra 100, save it for a rainy day. Or maybe you can take grandma out and her friends at the bowling or at the knitting. Does she have a knitting club? All right. Go, hey, I'm the grandson. Come on, grandma, get all your friends together. We're going to go out to Golden Corral, or I don't know what grandmas like to do, but maybe go to a restaurant, have some nice food and talk about the good old days. But there's a lot you can do with the money that you're going to save because no matter what, you're going to buy stuff. You just have to. All right. If you're 12 years old accidentally watching this video, I get it. But if you're just 18 to 118 years old, I'm pretty sure that whatever is inside saveclub.com, when you log in and go to the My Deals tab, I'm pretty sure, I'm confident, I can't promise it, that's my quotations with my fingers, but I have a good idea, I have right in my gut, that you're going to probably be buying things that you can save on already, and we're only 12 days old. We kicked off June 1st. Today's June 12th. To say you're ahead of the curve right now, if you join as an affiliate, is an understatement. We have thousands of people a day worldwide signing up. We hardly have any affiliates because most people sign up to be a member to save money. Not me, not you. Most people that watch my videos, they want to be an affiliate. They want to earn money. I have the best groups. I have the most powerful groups in Save Club. You're going to get a private invite only to our groups. We have a massive amount of pictures, a ton of video already made that you can use. You just upload and use it. Just make sure your link to your business is correct. And then if you want to do video like I'm doing down the road, or email correctly, or how to just present Save Club so it's fun, where people click a link and just watch a video, I'm going to do the best I can to help you do that, because if you make money, I make money. It's that simple. We take care of each other. And if you're a business, you can even put your business in Save Club. All right, so maybe you'll get more sales. You'll save more money by being a member in the membership area. And on top of that, earn money as an affiliate. Pretty cool, huh? So this is what I do. I invite people to the official link, joinsaveclub.org. Okay, joinsaveclub.org. I want you to go watch this video. This is just a 6-minute video of our founder. I like you to get to know him. Okay, and then right below my picture, fill this out here and hit that orange button. And that's it. You're going to get a nice email. And when you log in, you can see I'm on the leaderboard. I'm currently number 7. And here's that tab, My Deals. When you go here, search worldwide or just down the street. But you'll be finding some deals. I think you're going to find an amazing amount. I think there's 58,000 deals as of this morning. That's a lot. Okay, just search around, have fun, check it out. And this is not an expensive endeavor, guys. Remember, it's only $80. $19.97 to be exact for the membership, $60 to be an affiliate. And let's earn some money, okay? I'll do everything I can to help you. And I belong to a real kick-ass group, guys. You're going to have a good time. Okay, joinsaveclub.org. Go there now. Let's get you locked in. And I'll send you a nice email on how to get started real fast, okay? All right, thanks, guys. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, take care. Bye.